Alright, for the 2005 Mazda 3, to change the belts, it has two belts, one for the AC, which is this one, the smaller one, and then the other one is the serpentine belt, which is behind that. So you can't change one without taking out the other. So to do this, there's no tension pulley or nothing. So I took my leather belt off, wrapped it around this belt here, wedged it here, pulled it, and while I'm pulling it, I put a ratchet on this, turn it clockwise, which will slip this belt off, which wasn't too bad. And once that off, then you can take the serpentine belt, which the tension pulley is right here, turn it counterclockwise to take the tension off, then you just pull that one off, put the new one back in. That one wasn't no problem. But then to put this one back in is a pain in the ass. Well, what I had to do was feed my belt through the top here on an angle, looped it around this belt, put this belt on this pulley, have my belt wrapped around this, my personal belt wrapped around this AC belt, going up, and then I pull on the belt, keeping tension on this, make sure that's there, and then while I'm holding that up, I take a socket and again turn it counterclockwise, wedging my belt in there, and then it'll make its way around and loop itself back up and pull the belt back out, my personal belt, off my damn waist. It says use a leather belt or something plastic, hard plastic or something, no metal. Anyway, so that's how I did that. It's a pain in the ass. And of course, you had to take the wheel off, take the shield guard off, but that's about it.